Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I did a Shein haul. So I'm going to show you what I got. Now I do have it underneath a blanket here because Brooklyn likes to get into my stuff. So she knows I've been unboxing today and she's been trying to eat everything. So gotta kind of sneak it out here. Okay, so the first thing that I bought from Shein, and I'll put the prices. I think this was like $3 or something. It is a little sloth makeup bag. And let me go ahead and open it before I start talking again. I know that, you know, I've gotten Ipsy for a number of years. So I do have a lot of these makeup bags. Of course, not one with the sloth on it. But I have been giving my Ipsy bags away in giveaways, so I don't really have a whole lot. In fact, I went to look for some Ipsy bags before, and I barely could find any. I don't know. I must have given more away than I thought, because I've been getting Ipsy for years. I don't get where all my bags went, but I thought this was so cute. So darn it, it says words. And I don't have my glasses on. Slow down and take your time. Be grateful. Enjoy the little things. Relax often. Hang out a lot and be happy. That's advice from a sloth. So I thought this was so cute and so springy. So, you know, I had to get it. All right, what else? What else did I get? Oh, for my weird pen collection. Yes, I have a weird pen collection. I saw someone's weird pen collection. Let me open this and then talk. It was Gracie Lou Bargain Guru. Gracie Lou Bargain Guru. I have not been to her channel in a long time. I need to get back there. But she has a strange pen collection, and I thought mine was pretty big. It's really not. Hers is huge. But here is my little weird pen. So I thought that was super cute. And, you know, obviously, it's one of those where you just press down and you get your colors. So that will come in handy. You know, I don't like buying these things when they're not refillable because they're so cute. And then once they run out of ink, you gotta throw them away. In fact, I just had to throw one away that I got from Shein. It was a little flower pot and it had a little flower pen, and it is not refillable. I opened it up and it was a short pen, and you know, I measured it and everything and tried to see if they had any refills for it on Amazon or anywhere, and they don't. But even if they did, I noticed that it was not refillable. You can't get the ink part out of the actual pen, so that wouldn't have worked anyway. But anyway, that's not refillable either, I'm sure. I'm really sure. Okay, another little tiny pen. These were all like $1 or something. Again, I'll put down the price that I purchased them for. Let me see. And we always need pens in this house. We're always looking for a pen. I don't know where they walk off to, but they do walk. So here is another pen. This one, I guess it's supposed to be tilted that way a little bit. So it's just a little purple or lavender flower there. Very pretty, I think. What else did I get in here? Brooklyn's wondering the same thing. She says, Mom, what else did you get? Okay, I got another little pen for my pen collection. I mean, $1 a pen, and I don't know, some of these may have even been less than $1, but it's cheaper to buy them this way than the big Bic pens or whatever. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not cheaper, but it's way cuter. So this one, I believe, it has little frogs on it. Yeah, little frogs. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just a little green pen with little frogs on it. This one might be refillable because it looks kind of like a normal size pen, maybe. I'd have to check that out. Not sure. All right, what else? What else? What else? Brooklyn's over here just looking at me like, Mom. She's gonna love me. If you've ever had a dog and you have them wearing clothes, hopefully your dog likes to wear clothes. Mine runs first chance she gets when she sees that I'm about to put her in clothes. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on, aren't we? I'm gonna go ahead and try this on her. And we're gonna see how this goes for little Brooklyn, because should be her size. Now she's a small. I had bought some extra smalls before because they said that was for a, for a Yorkie size, but the extra smalls were way too small. I mean, and Brooklyn did grow a little bit more than what we thought. The breeder told us she was going to be really tiny, like our last Yorkie was, and she's not. She definitely is not tiny like that. So put your paw in there. I'm sitting here trying to get her to put her paw through, and she's like, no, Mommy, no. So I bought her just this little, it's like a little sweatshirt. It's getting warmer now, so obviously she doesn't need this right now, but she, in the winter time, I don't foresee that she's going to be, she doesn't grow like a child, so she'll be the same size come winter time, and she's going to be very happy that she's got this. Yeah, right. You wait till you see how happy she is. Doesn't she look happy? Does she look happy?
No.
Let's
Funny.
see.
Oh, she's funny.
Does she look happy, you guys? Brooklyn, are you happy? Brooklyn, are you happy? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, she's not happy. But it is so cute, look.
She's all stiff.
She is. She's just all stiff. Like she's just not moving. So, yeah, she's not much of a clothes wearer. We have a coat for her, though, that I do put on in the wintertime when, because we're in Illinois and it snows like crazy in the winter. And so I do have a coat that I put on her. And this will be nice for the winter, too. This will be nice. It feels a little tight, but not too tight, if you know what I mean. Like, it feels like it'd be nice and cozy warm. So I got that for her, and she's just going to probably sit on my lap and not move because she does not like clothes on. I want to keep clothes on her, though. I really wanted to because it's just so cute. But, I guess for certain dogs, it's not worth it to put her through any discomfort or agony. But when it comes to, being cold or whatever, yeah, I want to keep her warm. So there she is right there. Oh, there she goes. She's walking. So, yeah. I don't know, you guys. I think it might be a little small. It's just not long enough on her back. So, yeah, probably I'm going to have to contact Shein and see what they can do, because it looks maybe like it's a little too short. Unfortunately. Doesn't it look too short, Nicole?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe she's like a medium. I don't know. How can a Yorkie be a medium? I mean, she's not a big dog. So I don't know. But that was my Shein haul, everybody. So everyone, if you can, please leave a comment down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, that would be great. I would greatly appreciate it. I do have some giveaways and some videos that I did not post in the title, so you might want to go and look for those. And everyone have a great day. Bye.